First video I'm doing on this Ableton Move. I shared with you guys the unboxing. I didn't have it on. Let's first get this thing authenticated with the Ableton Move Manager, which is the application used to manage the content on the Move. You hit Shift and the setup button, which is the Shift button, and the second button here, the little setup gear icon. And you scroll the wheel down to Move Manager. Let's hit that. It says how to access move.local. So we get to this screen here, how to access move.local. We're gonna scroll down to how to access, and it tells us go to move.local and a web browser. You could go to move.local here, and we can change this name here. Authenticate on the Move first. You're gonna scroll down to how to access. Back will be line 1. Line 2 would be how to access. Line 3 is move.local, but let's see what this move.local is about. So I can change the name here. So that's what I'm gonna do. So they have move 2.local, move 3.local, move 4.local. So you can scroll through and you change the name that way. You don't actually give it a name by punching in a name. It just adds a number to it. That's if you have 2 moves or 3 moves in the area. That way each move has its own bridge or way to connect to the Move Manager. We can just keep it move.local because I only have 1 move. So let's go back out, how to access, go to move.local. All right, so now I'm in the web browser. We're gonna go to move.local. There we go. And you could see here on the Move, a code popped up. So we're gonna put that code in the computer. We put the code in and now we're in. So now we're in the Move Manager. This tool lets you edit content and transfer it between your Move and your computer or phone. All right, so you do your sets here. I only have 1 set that I did. Rest of demos, you go into recordings. This is your recordings that you have on the Move. If you upload samples, you can put that here, drag and drop here. You can also create a new folder so that way you can be organized. And you have your presets here. You can create a folder here and drag and drop your presets into here. Pretty simple. Let's see what this settings is about. Settings, okay, storage use. This way you can see how much storage you have left on your Move. Tells you the version, which is up to date. And this is the Ableton Cloud. Let me activate the cloud. This cloud here is very important. See, I use Ableton Note. And when I use Ableton Note and I have the cloud on, anything I make in Ableton Note is automatically gonna be in Ableton Live when I open it up. I want the same thing to be available on the Move. So I'm gonna log in. Boom, I'm logged in and I accept the terms of service. I have read and understood the Ableton privacy policy. Whoever reads that stuff, right? But we should. I don't need to send no data to them. Accept, connect to Ableton Cloud, and it's connected. There you have it. I'm now set. I can do my thing. I can make my masterpieces on this Move. I can start sharing, show those who may have just gotten the device. The 2 main things that you probably need to do first is authenticate your Move Manager and turn on your Ableton Cloud if you intend on using this with Ableton or Ableton Note. Those are the 2 first things that you should do before you do anything else. And I just wanted to share that process for anyone coming behind me or anyone else, so you know what to do when you first get your Move. We just getting started. Have fun. Stay tuned. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.